Scene 1. Intro. Millions of burgers are made every day in factories. But have you ever wondered how they are produced so fast and still taste the same? Today, we go inside a burger factory to see how burgers are made step by step. Scene 2. Raw meat arrival. Everything begins with fresh beef. The meat arrives cold and sealed to maintain quality and safety. Before processing, every batch is carefully inspected. Only approved meat moves forward. Scene 3. Quality check. Experts check the meat for freshness, fat percentage, and hygiene standards. No inspection, no production. Scene 4. Grinding process. Next, the beef enters industrial grinders. The machines grind the meat evenly while keeping the temperature controlled. This ensures food safety and consistent texture. Scene 5. Mixing and seasoning. The ground meat is gently mixed. Some factories add light seasoning. Others keep it 100% pure beef. Precision is key. Scene 6. Patty forming. Now the magic happens. Automatic machines shape the meat into perfect burger patties. Each patty has the same size, weight, thickness, perfect consistency every time. Scene 7. Cooking or freezing. At this stage, burgers take two paths. Some patties are fully cooked on industrial grills. Others are flash frozen instantly to lock in freshness and flavor. Scene 8. Quality control. Before packaging, each burger passes quality control. Machines scan for accuracy, shape, and safety. Nothing is left to chance. Scene 9. Packaging. The burgers are sealed in airtight packaging. This keeps them fresh during transportation. Each package is labeled and dated. Scene 10. Distribution. From the factory, burgers are shipped across America. They go to restaurants, grocery stores, and fast food chains. Scene 11. Outro. So the next time you eat a burger, remember the process behind it. Modern technology makes every bite consistent and safe.